So we got this situation. An engineer is required to visit a factory for exactly 4 days during the first 15 days of every month, and it is mandatory that no two visit takes place in on consecutive days. Okay, so consecutive things are not allowed. Then the number of ways then the number of all possible ways in which such visit to the factory can be made by the engineer during 1st to 15th June of 2021 is. Okay, so look at this question. This is similar like the previous one where you have distributed, like you have selected first 5 or 4 number out of first 50 natural number. So here also you have to select 4 natural number out of first 50 natural number. Okay, you know that the days are identical. Okay, but you cannot go on consecutive days. Okay, so what will happen? First, you will be selecting a day to go to the factory, and before that day you may leave some days. Okay, or you may not leave some days. You can go to the factory at 1st of June. Okay, so it is greater than equal to 0. Now, before second visit, you will make sure that the gap should be greater than equal to 1. Okay, then again you will leave some gap. The gap should be greater than equal to 1. Now 3 visit is done. Now the moment you will go to fourth visit, you will make sure that the gap should be greater than equal to 0, and after fourth day there is a chance there would be some days left, still left. Okay, or there is a chance that it may not left. Okay, so it can be greater than equal to 0. So you guys are having 15 days, out of which you have selected 4 days, so you are left with 11 days. Correct? So can I say that x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5, we have to distribute them in such a way that we can distribute 11 identical object to these 5%. Okay, now do you feel that this is your comfortable zone? No, it is not, because here 0 is not allowed everywhere. For x1, do you think you have any problem? No, you don't have. X1 can take 0. So from x1 we don't have problem, but x2 is a problem. So we will give him 1 samosa. X3, to convince x3 we will give him 1 samosa. To convince x4 we will give 1 samosa. And x5 is okay. So we guys have spent how many samosas? 3 samosas. So we are left with 8 samosas. Now we have to distribute 8 samosa, okay, which are identical, to 5%, okay, where 0 is allowed. So what you will do? You can figure out that it is distribution of identical object to different things. है ना? So you will ask me for sticks. How many sticks do we need? 1 less than the number of persons. So there are 5 persons, so you need 4 sticks. So altogether we are left with 8 and 4, 12. C4. You will select sticks. Okay. So this is the required answer. So this many ways are there in which this visit can be executed. I hope the idea is clear.